Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can see from the title and the huge bags behind me, is another luxury unboxing video. I accumulated a few items that I wanted to show you before I go on my holiday. I'm going back home. I haven't been for 2 years, and I know I was supposed to be on a ban and not shop for a while, but I always seem to have an excuse, and this time it was that I was going home, like on holiday, and I needed some items for my holiday. So I picked up a few items. I have some shopping vlogs that should have gone up already by now, so if you're interested you can click and watch them. I'll link some up here, and also I'll link them in the description box. Also, before I start unboxing the goodies, don't forget to come say hi on my Instagram. You can see it here on the screen. I upload up-to-date pictures to give you some inspo, outfit inspo. I have highlights. I upload my favorite products. You can shop my looks. I show you my new purchases. So if you're interested, come follow me on my Instagram. Alright, let's start with this unboxing. I can't wait to show you what I got. I think I'll start with this cute little baggie from Dior. So, this one I showed you already in one of my vlogs. I started wearing this straight away. I've been wearing this since I bought it, like for, I think, 2 weeks now. So some of you may know what it is, so I'll try to unbox it quick and show you. It is this gorgeous bracelet. How adorable is this? So this is exactly what I was looking for from Chanel. I wanted a Chanel bracelet. You know, I've been hunting a Chanel bracelet like this. Very plain, not too much, with not that many charms, just a little CC logo on it. But I can't seem to find one anywhere. The bracelets seem to be always very pearly with way too many charms on them, and I wanted something plain like this, plain and cute, a bit more understated, and I absolutely love it. So I'll insert a close-up so you can see how it looks better. I'm not gonna try to put it on now because it's actually, I struggle a little bit. So I will just put it on later, but I've been wearing this bracelet non-stop since I bought it. It was, I think it was, do I keep the receipt? Yes, I have the receipt here. It was £250, which is okay. It is quite a plain bracelet, but I feel that Dior has increased their prices for their costume jewelry. Let me know if you've noticed that as well. I find that their custom jewelry now is a bit more expensive. I checked out some of the other bracelets, and most of them were £370, £350, £400, and they were very plain again with a few charms. But oh well, you're paying for the name because it's Dior. So this is a costume jewelry bracelet. I don't shower with it. It's not like my Cartier ring, like I shower with this ring, I don't take it off. With the bracelet I have to be a bit more careful when I apply fake tans and creams and perfumes. So yeah, I try to be a bit more careful because I want to be able to wear it longer. So far I've been washing my hands, and it's hard not to wet the bracelet when you wash your hands, but if you dry it straight away it should be fine. I haven't lost any stones because it has these little cute crystals on it. I haven't lost a single crystal yet, but I've had it for 2 weeks, so however, if I end up losing a crystal, I can always bring it to Dior and they'll be happy to replace it. So yeah, this is the first item. Let's move on to the next one. Should I go for a bigger purchase? Okay, I'll unbox this one. Alright, so you might recognize these boxes. It's a pair of shoes, and as you may know, I've been looking for a pair of shoes to match my new Lady Dior bag, and I found the perfect pair, the perfect match. So I already started wearing them, so you can see they're a bit dirty already. I couldn't wait, so I just started wearing them. And it's these gorgeous Dior velvet sneakers. Let me take them out. So these are my new Dior sneakers in the pink velvet. These I've been eyeing for a very long time, since they came out, and I never bought them. I guess I didn't have a bag to match them, and you know how much I love to match my bags with my shoes, and I finally decided to get them, and I think these are getting discontinued now actually. So I'm very lucky that I found them. There was one pair left in London, I think, in my size, and they had to transfer them from a different boutique to Harrods. I have a friend in Harrods. She works in the shoe department, and she was very kind to find them for me and transfer them for me. So I ended up buying these from Harrods. As you can see, I have already worn these, I think 3 times, and they are quite dirty. The sole, the white sole, gets dirty very quick, so I would have to baby wipe it quite often. Oh, that's gross. I have to go wash my hands straight away. They're just so gorgeous. Look at them up close. How pretty are they? And I love the detail, the big star detail on the bottom, and there is a Dior detail at the back as well. So these I ended up getting in my normal size, which is 37.5. Normally in sneakers I always go half a size up, and I'm a 38, but these run very big. Also, comfort wise, these are not the most comfortable sneakers I own. They actually pinch the side of my foot a little bit, like here on the inside. They're very narrow, so if you have narrow feet it will be fine. I think I have narrow feet, but I guess they're not that narrow because these are a bit uncomfortable here. But I wanted them so much, and these were the only shoes that matched my back perfectly. And ideally I wanted flat shoes or sneakers. For the bag I didn't want to buy pink heels because I wanted to be able to wear them a lot. So these were the only shoes that I found, and I really love the look of them, so I ended up buying them. Alright, so what should I unbox next? I will unbox the little Chanel. Okay, so as you can see, it's in a little baggie. It's something very cute. I still haven't used this, so I can't wait. Comes in this gorgeous Chanel box. How pretty. Okay. Oh, it's already out. I thought it would be wrapped. Why is it not wrapped? Anyway, that's the little card holder that I picked up from Chanel. Oh, I thought it would be. Why isn't it inside the pouch? There is like a velvet pouch. It's supposed to be inside the pouch. What a fail. So let me show you it up close. You know that I've been looking for a card holder for quite some time now, and I finally found this gorgeous pink camellia card holder. This is so pretty. This is so beautiful. Like, when I saw it, I was just randomly, I think I was gonna go try on some sunglasses. I was on my way to Gucci to try on some sunglasses, and I decided to stop by Chanel and have a look at their stuff. And it was very random, and I was like, oh, can I have a look at your card holders? Because I've been looking for card holders for months now, and I can never find a cute card holder from Chanel. So they took out the tray, and I saw this pink one, and they had only 2 left, and one was the display one, which was already stained. It was like dirty at the back, and I was like, please tell me you have a brand new one at the back. And they were like, let me check. They checked, and they had only 1 left, and I was so lucky. So it is perfection. This is everything that I was looking for. I wanted a brighter color. I didn't want a black card holder. I know the lighter colors get dirty very quick, but I wanted something pretty, and my current card holder that I'm using is from YSL. I've had it for years, and it's pink again. However, that one is caviar, and this one is I think that's calf skin. It's definitely not lamb, because lamb skin is a bit more softer. So I think this is calf skin, and I know this will get dirty very quick. It will stain, but I don't care. It is so beautiful. I also noticed that this one has 5, I think, compartments. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 4. Actually 4 compartments compared to my YSL, which has 5. So there is additional 1 here. There is 2 at the front, 2 at the back, and 1 in the middle. This one also seems a bit larger, so it might fit more cards. I will have to test it and try and see. Here is the authenticity card inside. I'm pretty sure this is from the spring summer collection, the beach collection, because they had similar bags, like pink bags in this exact same color. And I just love it. It's so cute. I love the little camellia right here. Can you guys see? How cute is that? I think the card holder was, actually I think I have the receipt. Oh, the card holder is 270 and the sneakers was 695, I think. And I've also noticed that they increased the prices of these same sneakers now. The newer styles are a bit more expensive. I think they're 750. My ones are older season, so they're slightly cheaper. Okay, last, this one was the sneaker bag, the Dior bag, so it's empty. This is the last item that I got for my trip. So, short story before I show you this. I was looking for a pair of joggers for traveling. I wanted something comfy and stylish and cute, and I've been eyeing these joggers from the men's section for so long. I still kind of want to buy them, but I went, tried them on a few times. I tried on all the different sizes, and I am extra small because they run quite big, and I liked the extra small the most. They fitted the best. But I still didn't end up buying them. I don't know, I just tried them on and I wasn't convinced, so I didn't buy them. And I went to the women's section downstairs in Harrods and I found something else instead. So I found this, which was almost the same price, a bit more expensive. But I thought this I could wear more. So this is, oh my god, it's washing me out so much. This is the Gucci cardigan that I picked up. This is the back. So this is the cardigan. I'll try it on and insert some clips so you can see how it looks on me, because it's really washing me out when I hold it up. But I was very surprised when I saw the price, because I was expecting it to be more than £1,000, because Gucci's ready-to-wear is very expensive, as you know. And when I saw the price, it was only £50 more than the joggers. It was 850, the joggers were 50, I wish, 800. So the joggers were 800, actually 795, and the cardigan was 850. And I thought I can get more wear out of the cardigan. I can style it in so many different ways. I can wear it as a top, as a cardigan, I can take it in jeans, and you know how obsessed I am with knitwear. It'll be a cute cardigan to travel in with. When I told my friends that I bought it for traveling, they were like, really? A Gucci cardigan for traveling? You're crazy. But not only, like, it's so beautiful. I love the gold glittery details, so it will be perfect for a night out, evening out, dinners, events. It is so beautiful and I can't wait to wear it. I'll wear it more casual. I can dress it up. It will look amazing with dresses underneath, with a black bodycon dress and sneakers for casual look, or put on the heels and you're ready for an evening out. So yeah, I think it's very versatile and I love it. I initially thought it's black, but it's actually very dark navy. It also has the glittery Gucci's on it. It has pockets and lovely pearly buttons. So yeah, that's the cardigan. Do you guys like it? I got mine in a medium. I actually tried on a small as well, and the girl who was serving me was trying to convince me to get the small, and I was like, girl, I like my clothes to be oversized. I want to wear it not only as a top, I want to wear it as a cardigan. And the small didn't fit well as a cardigan. It looked fine as a top, tucked in jeans, but as a cardigan it didn't fit that well, so I wanted to size up. So I was contemplating between the large and the medium, but at the end I picked up the medium because I can wear as a top, like a looser top, and as a cardigan. So yeah, this is the cardigan. Alright everyone, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed this luxury haul. Let me know which item was your favorite. Did you like the sneakers, the card holder, the bracelet, my new ready-to-wear piece? Let me know in the comments. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Yay! Thank you so much for watching, and I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!